Hello everyone, my name is Gurgen. I'm work at Engro. And today we'll be deconstructing six subscription-based apps, which, in my opinion, represent a good comparison of how users need to be activated in the first session or two. And that will depend on how we place the screens and how, in particular, these six applications placed their onboarding screens and how they engage with new users after or during this process. So the first app that we have here is Duolingo. Many of you know Duolingo is probably the most popular language learning app, and it's been very trending in a discussion because of its strong branding, but also, in my opinion, because it really figured out how to engage with the new users, and not only in how to engage basically with the users until you delete the app for some reason. In my case, this is actually what I did. I deleted the app and then I reinstalled it. So after I logged in, the app immediately offered me to review my language skills. For those users that will be just installing the app, you probably will have one or two screens explaining what it does. But basically, the tone and the voice of the tone of the app will remain pretty similar. So, literally on a second screen, we get the request to send notifications. It looks like this official pop-up from the Apple, but it's not. However, it's even more it's read even more easier than the official one. It tells us that we will notify you when you are going to be in a danger of missing your goal. So the tone here is being too serious, which works pretty good, I think, in my opinion, because it's so serious that it kind of sounds ironic, right? And they definitely figured out how to be a little more personal in a way that where you remain simplicity and add a little humor to it. I think it makes sense to you guys. So this is very important. Opt-in request as early as possible with a clear explanation of why do you want to send notifications. And this is what happens to me right after. Maybe 15 minutes after, I'll start receiving one notification a day reminding me that I'm missing out. Some of these notifications will have images, some are not. And another set of notifications which are going to be already much more personalized. They're going to be related to the friend streaks. And friend streaks are those where you compete with your friends who also use Duolingo. So this is, I think, like the fundamentally changes the game now for this app. Now you want to, now we have the game principles in play, not only language learning principles or FOMO principles, right? Where we are afraid of missing something out, or we forgot of our current status with the app. And yeah, this all of this makes gets us closer to the following step, and the following step is the free trial, right? Like many subscription-based apps, we are offered a free trial or already a paid subscription. In this case, it's going to be a mix between those two. So first we're going to use the app for free for 2 weeks, and then we're going to start paying. And here we have already clear deconstruction of like what's going to be included in a family plan or individual plan or a free plan. I'll leave a logic of user engagement here, guys, in the link that you will find under this video on my comment, as well as a full case study on why and how this all works in regards to retention and subscription